Welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see like how to use init and non-init method and what is the difference between these two things. So why we are using init, why we are not somewhere using non-unit method, how to call it. So everything we can see it in today's session. Let me open notepad. I already written some code here. So here you can see like without init method and with the init method. So here this is class name, and outside of this method we can say like this is class variable, and inside of any method functions and inside of any init variable we can say like instance variable. So this is simple difference. So class variable means it's outside, within the class we are declaring it, not within the functions. Instance means any init method or normal our method, user defined method. If we are using any variables, we can say like instance variable. Now you can see here, I just simply declare def my function self comma course name. Self is mandatory and course name. I just setting self dot course name equal to course name, print self course name. This is I'm doing it. And here the same thing I have written. Def init self course name equal to course name. But for printing, I used this function and then used self, then print self course name. Now see this how I am going to run it. Let me open idle. Now let's see this. Paste. So now I'm going to run it. Okay. Some error message. Let me I'll use it. Print here. Okay, now it's gone. Now see this. Now I'm going to run. So normal our run method is call my class, creating a object my class. But here you can use it only simple parenthesis. You are not passing any variable inside here. So you are just opening like this and then print call my class dot, and then this function will open. I'll say like my function, and here you can give it like Python. Now it is working. So you can see the difference here. I'm not passing anything here. I'm just passing my Python in my function. Now see this. I'm going to write with the init method. So here some print will be a problem. So now see this. I'm same calling this one, but I have to pass it here itself Python, and then I'm going to print as a empty things. See this? Now just enter. You're getting it right. So the main difference here, how to call with init is like you're passing the values in the class itself. But here we are just passing the value in the function itself. So this is what the main difference. See you in the next class. Bye.